I think I might fill up these tires as well, bro. They're down low. It's like 5.3 right now. So yeah, right now it's showing up. It's at $5.3 for 91. So yeah, I'll get back to y'all once I'm done. Thank God we got Trump elected, bro. This shit finna go down, bro. Holy shit. Shit making me broke. Alright, so I'm gonna head to the gym. Bro, I just got back from the gym and listen to this, alright? I'm gonna shift this shit. Listen how loud this shit is. Damn! Damn, bro, I just lost traction. But yeah, damn, bro. Holy shit, it's sliding, bro. Alright. Watch how loud this shit is right now. It's on Sports Plus right now. The valves are open. Listen to how loud this shit is, alright? How was that, bro?
That was good. Oh, this one.
That place is clean as hell. But you can't even get up on there, bro. We just finished filming some TikToks and some videos right now. So yeah. Guys, let me know how y'all feel about the Jake Paul versus Mike Tyson fight. Are y'all happy or are y'all sad? And do you guys think it's rigged or not? Do you think it's rigged?
Rigged as fuck. Man.
Which way to go?
You should have seen Tyson train. Tyson training was...
Yeah, Tyson training is a whole different thing than how he performed in the fight.
Way I wonder who's like Jake Paul's gonna call out next. Cause I mean he's calling out people, but he's not actually...
I want him to fight Ryan Garcia. I saw him call him out.
He's not doing that.
He gonna fight him when he's 60 years old, bro.
Him and Canelo, bro.
Time, bro. Got a big ass camera on my head, bro.
For the car. I took hella good photos of the car.
Really?
I did you so right. This one video. Look at that one. I like this.
That's clean, bro. So then, like a cut scene to like me zooming in, like a good zoom in, like right close up.
This one's good. This one's good. These are photos.
I'm post all these.
This one's good too.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Where'd I go?
You're about to turn left. This one's good fun. Good ass one.
I'm about to go under this bridge, guys. Listen to this. Get a video of yours.
Pass this line. Then at the next one, turn.
Under here, right? I gotta take left there, right?
Yeah, left at 450.
Alright, so recording when I green.
Well, you got it from here.
Huh?
You got it from here.
Let's go straight, right? Oh fuck.
Take the exit to merge onto CA99 South toward Fresno. Take the exit, then keep right. Use the at 7 onto 34th Street.
40 out right here, bro.
That's grams.
Yeah, that's grand.
Yo, Pops does not want this one.
hate this road, bro. So bumpy, bro.
He does want it.
Stay in the second lane for right.
Bro does not want it. Alright, I'm gonna end the thing. Alright then, bro. I'm gonna have to cut this video. You do the outro for me, alright?
65th Street.
Alright, Dan. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. AMG, we out.
Alright then, bro. I'll see you guys. Peace out. Oh my god, this shit pulls you back. I swear to God, bro. Oh my. I'm not gonna lie, I took the wrong turn.